Will AI replace human jobs? The question of whether artificial intelligence or AI will replace human jobs is one that resonates deeply in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. As we witness advancement in AI capabilities, concerns about job displacements loom large, while at the same time, the potential for new job creation emerges as a counterpoint. This duality prompts a reflection on the nature of work, the role of technology in our lives, and the imperative for adaptability in the face of change. There is no denying that AI has the potential to automate a variety of tasks that were once the domain of human workers. From manufacturing to customer service, AI technologies are increasingly capable of performing routine and repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans. For instance, automated chatbots can handle customer inquiries and robotic systems can streamline assembly lines, raising legitimate fears about widespread job loss in these sectors. Reports suggest that millions of jobs may be at risk in the coming years, sparking anxiety about economic stability and individual livelihoods. This situation underscores a broader concern. How will the workforce adapt to these changes? Many workers in roles susceptible to automation may find themselves unprepared for the new demands of the job market. The reality is that entire industries can be transformed or rendered obsolete by technology, leaving many to wonder what the future holds. Yet, amidst these concerns lies a more hopeful narrative. Historically, technological advancements have often led to the creation of new job opportunities that we could not have previously imagined. The advent of the internet, for example, gave rise to careers in digital marketing, software development, and data analysis. Similarly, the rise of AI is expected to create roles focused on developing, maintaining, and overseeing these systems. For instance, positions such as AI ethicist and data scientist are becoming increasingly vital, reflecting a shift in the job market towards more specialized skills. Furthermore, AI can complement human abilities rather than simply replace them. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, allowing them to spend more time with patients and improving overall care. This dual impact of AI displacement and creation invites us to reconsider the traditional narrative of work. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we can see it as a catalyst for innovation and growth, prompting the emergence of new fields and roles. As we navigate this complex landscape, the need for adaptability becomes paramount. Both individuals and organizations must be proactive in responding to the changing nature of work. This means investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Reskilling and upskilling initiatives will be essential in preparing the workforce for new challenges and opportunities. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in this transition by promoting lifelong learning and providing access to reskilling programs. They can help workers remain relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Encouraging skills such as coding, data analysis, and digital literacy will be vital in ensuring that individuals can effectively collaborate with AI technologies. Reflecting on the question of whether AI will replace human jobs leads to a nuanced understanding of the future of work. While there is a genuine concern about job displacement, there is also significant potential for job creation and enhancement. The key to navigating this transition lies in our collective ability to adapt and embrace change. By prioritizing reskilling, fostering a culture of lifelong learning, and recognizing the collaborative potential between humans and AI, We can harness the benefits of technology while ensuring that workers are empowered to thrive. Ultimately, the future of work will be shaped by our choices today, influencing how we integrate AI into our lives and economies. That's all. Thank you.